Hello everybody and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to give you a review and ride along of the Golden Technologies Compass HD model GP620. Now what makes this model unique is that it has a 450-pound weight capacity with an extra wide seat that is up to 24 inches wide. It's super stable when going off-road, very smooth, very easy to control. In fact, one of the smoothest scooters and the most stable. You can see here we're jumping on the footplate. I don't recommend doing that, but that's how stable it is. Now, I do want to mention that if you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel, you should absolutely subscribe while you're here. You could win a free mobility scooter simply by subscribing and leaving a comment, like the last few winners on your screen. Now, one other thing I want to tell you is that Golden Technologies is one of the only manufacturers that makes their products in the USA. They offer lift chair recliners, scooters, and electric wheelchairs. They also offer the best warranty, support, and customer support in general across all manufacturers out there. So today we're going to talk about, again, model GP620. It's a heavy-duty power wheelchair that can hold up to 450 pounds. I am going to throw the specifications sheet on the screen here and put a link to it in the description. So if you want to print a PDF copy, check the link in the description below to see all the specifications. Again, you do have up to a 24-inch wide seat. The standard is 20 inches wide. Now, really quick, I want to tell you about our free product catalog. If you want a physical copy, you can learn more about this product and others. Just go to our website, mobilitydirect.com, click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog, fill out the simple short form, and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. It has coupon codes, a lot of information about our company. You could also just call our non-commissioned sales experts with the number below if you want to ask questions or if you want to learn more about our products. You can visit one of our stores as well. We have locations with a lot of different options, and our non-commissioned sales experts would love to earn your business. So check us out. I'll put links to our locations in the description as well. So let's get back to it. Again, the Golden Compass HD Power Wheelchair. Some of the things that you're going to notice right away about this chair is that it has a captain seat. It's a really large captain seat with a 20-inch depth. Again, we told you can get either a 20-inch wide, 22-inch wide, or 24-inch wide seat. It has a super easy to use joystick on it. What you're seeing on this screen is a swing away attachment. The standard joystick is going to work just the same. The armrests, they flip up, they're width adjustable, they're height adjustable. The seat reclines and it's height adjustable as well. And we're going to show you a couple things about that as well. So there are some rotation knobs on the back of the armrest rails, which you can use to adjust the height and the width of the armrest. There is that hitch receiver on the back for universal accessories, like a rear cage style shopping basket that you can put there. You do see the casters on the back there and the front to provide stability. You've got two large motors there, which make it really powerful and fully capable of going on grass, gravel, dirt. Of course, it all depends on the weight of the user, but most of the time you are going to be able to go on grass. The seat does flip down to take a nice compact shape if you need to wheel it into a van or store it in the cargo space of a SUV. So that's a nice feature. You could also remove the armrests if you need to and put it in the trunk of a SUV. Probably not a regular sedan though. Because it is a mid-wheel drive power chair, it's going to have a really tight turning radius of just 20 inches. I mean, for a heavy-duty power wheelchair, 20 inches is almost unbelievable. What we're pointing at right now are the locking pins that you can use to raise or lower the seat height. Now, we do have separate unboxing and review videos to show you how to adjust the seat height, but it's pretty easy. You just need someone to pick the chair up after you remove the quick release pins and then set the height of the seat at the desired position. Now, the footplate, again, is super heavy duty. It's height adjustable, angle adjustable. You can flip it up and get it out of the way while you're getting in and out of the chair. Now, this power chair is powered by two 12-volt batteries that are going to be 55 amp hours each, and that's going to give you a total travel range of up to 12 miles, depending on the terrain type and the weight of the user, etc. But overall, this is going to be one of the best options for someone that needs a heavy-duty model that can go on various terrain types. This power chair performs exceptionally well on inclines and when going on grass. So if you need something that can hold up to 450 pounds, that can go on grass, and that's going to have a really smooth ride, I'd highly recommend considering the Compass HD. Not only is it going to support a lot of weight and do well off-road, but that suspension is going to provide an ultra smooth ride, and the joystick controller is very, very easy to use. It's a dynamic 75 amp controller with very easy to use buttons that allow you to control the speed modes. Here we're displaying how you can toggle between the speed modes, and then the middle button, there's just a little horn buzzer. It's not very loud, but it works. And then of course you have the power button. When you turn it on, you can see the battery meter lights turn on. When the battery is depleting, the charge is depleting rather, you'll see each of those lights starting with the green turn off and then the yellow. And you should always charge it when it gets to the yellow. Avoid letting it get to the red. The charging port is underneath the joystick, and the unit does of course come with the batteries and the charger. It's a standard XLR charger, which you should only use the OEM charger, by the way. It's a 24 volt, 3.5 amp charger. We're gonna show you now what it's like to actually ride this thing. Again, it is a mid-wheel drive power chair, so you're gonna notice that it has extremely tight turns and it's very, very stable. We're giving you some action shots if you could see the articulating suspension in action here. So you can kind of tell the back casters are kind of flexing with the mid-wheel drive, and that's what the articulating suspension is going to do. It's not your typical suspension coils, the springs. And the silver bars right above the mid-wheel drive on the left and right side, those are actually the brake release levers. So if you need to push it manually, you can put it in neutral mode if your batteries die and push it no problem. So now we're mounting the chair and showing you what it looks like to actually be seated in it and ride the power chair. You could see the suspension in action here as we're going on grass, making turns, no problem, one-handed while holding the camera. That's how easy it is to control this power wheelchair. So if you need something that's easy to control, if it's the first time you're getting a power wheelchair, you want to make sure that it's smooth and easy to control, that it's not going to jerk too much when you turn or when you give it gas. You know, when you hit that throttle, it's got a very gradual and smooth increase in speed. It's not going to send you back and give you whiplash, but it does move pretty quickly when you turn up that top speed, again, giving you a top speed of about 4 miles per hour, which doesn't seem like a lot when you say it, but most people only walk about 1.5 miles per hour. So, I mean, you're definitely going to be outpacing anybody that's walking or even really doing a fast-paced walk or even a slow jog, which is really all you need. So coupled with the speed, the travel range, and the smoothness, I'd say this is a very well-rounded power wheelchair. Now, a couple of things about Golden Technologies and their power wheelchair line. Golden Technologies is the only manufacturer to offer a 1-year warranty on the batteries, while most only offer a 6-month or even a 3-month warranty. So, you know, if something does go wrong with your batteries within the first year, you're covered. Not only that, they are extremely efficient at processing warranty claims. If you need a replacement part under warranty, they get it shipped right away. And they include a 1-year service agreement. So if you do have a warranty approved claim, they will cover the cost to have a technician come to your home and replace that warranty part for you. You don't have to go anywhere, it's included. That's peace of mind right there. Not many manufacturers are doing that. So here, Richard is just showing you what not to do, just to kind of flex and show you how stable this unit is. He's actually standing on the footplate right now, so all the weight of his body is on the footplate. Most power chairs would tip over towards the front if you do that. Not the Compass HD. The way it's designed, it is so stable that you can literally put all your weight on the footplate and still ride it, and it's not going to tip over. Not that you should do that. Very unsafe, but we're just demonstrating just how stable it is by doing this. Again, folks, this is the Golden Technologies Compass HD Model GP620. If you have any questions, leave us a comment below. We will reply to all of our comments within 1 business day. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, everyone, have a great day.